Hi, I'm Marla Niederer from OrsinisAngels, and I just wanted to share with you a very simple project of how to make a real easy junk journaling tag for Halloween. And what I started out with is I created a little watercolor painting of a little witch, and you can use this design, which you can purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link in the description of the video below, or you can create your own little image or a painting. And anyway, so I cut it out, and I cut out the two background pieces for the tag, and I used some Ranger ink in sepia with a little makeup applicator just to kind of give the edges a little bit of depth. I think it really makes it a nicer look when you're layering things, and just adding that little ink gives it a little bit more depth, and I like that. So what I did was I used some tacky quick drying glue. It doesn't matter what brand, whatever one that you like, and whatever you have been using and enjoy using is probably the best one to use for you. And then I just kind of put the holes from the top, centered them together, and then I do use wax paper quite a bit in my paper products when I'm gluing them, and I just feel like it helps me. It's not something you have to do, but I do. And I also use a brayer, as you notice, but you don't really, if you don't have a brayer, you don't really need to. I have one, so I like it and I use it, but you can use any kind of plastic card if you'd like to use something to kind of smooth everything out. And here I just use some lace. It's binding lace in ivory and black to make it a hanging tag, and I'm just kind of putting a couple of knots in it. And this can be used for a card, greeting card. This can be used for a gift or your junk journaling. And I felt like it was really kind of plain, so I added a piece of lace to the side of it and just glued it down and then trimmed it off. And I really didn't do a lot of embellishment to this tag because I just wanted to do a simple, easy peasy one that could be quickly done if I wanted to make several of them to give away. But you could really embellish it all you want. You can use glitter, you can use dimensional paints, whatever. But I hope you enjoyed watching this product, and thank you for viewing my video. Until next time, bye now.